Get the brush cutter over here. Rake that towards the pile near the fence.
All right, clear this section so I can get the wheelbarrow through. Coming around now, watch your step. Watch out for the water coming down. We see it. Keep going, we're almost done here. Careful with that edge. Bring another bundle of shingles up here. Nail gun ready?
Using a combination of soft bristle brushes and gentle pressure washing, the team carefully removes decades of grime from the historic facade.
Lift it higher on your side. All right, hold it steady there. Ready with the screw gun.
All right, get the compactor running on that section.
We're mixing the concrete now.
Watch the water run off from the pressure washer.
All right, hoist it up slowly. Watch the alignment on your side. Almost there, hold it steady. All right, team, let's get these pavers laid before the rain hits. Careful with that edge over there. Watch the edge there, Steve. Backing up now, clear the area. Lift it up, watch the clearance on the transom. Hold it steady right there, it needs to move an inch to the left. All right, secure it. Ready with the impact driver?
That looks incredible. We did a great job on the brick.
The new sign is perfectly centered.